Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Siri on iPad 9th Gen. To enable Siri, first I'm gonna check if it's enabled now. To do it, press and hold on the power button. It is, so you can ask it multiple questions like about the weather, to schedule an event in your calendar, or any other thing because it's your personal assistant in your iPad. If it's not enabled, go to Settings, then find Siri, talk to Siri, and now either make sure that press home for Siri is enabled, and you can also enable Siri or Hey Siri. This will automatically trigger Siri without pressing any buttons whenever you say Hey Siri, or just Siri when this top option is enabled. But you need to have either one of these, the home button or talk to Siri. And now whenever you press and hold on the home button, it opens Siri. So I'm gonna ask it, how's the weather in Krakow? And you can see that it shows me the weather for Krakow. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.